Ublalotak. Kanwek busy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day. Today, let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Welcome back, everyone. Yesterday, we talked about what a growth mindset is. The idea that your abilities can grow with practice and effort. Today, we're going to dive a little deeper and learn about how your brain actually grows when you try new things. Did you know your brain is like a muscle? The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Every time you challenge yourself by learning something new or solving a problem, your brain forms new connections. These connections are called neural pathways, and they help you get better at things. Let's take an example. Imagine you're working on a tricky puzzle. At first, it might feel impossible, but every time you try a new solution, your brain is growing even if you don't figure it out right away. When you finally solve the puzzle, it's because your brain has created new pathways to help you understand how to do it. So, how does your brain grow? It happens when you put in effort and practice. Every time you work through a tough problem, try something new, or keep practicing a skill, your brain gets better at it. That's how learning works. Sometimes you might make mistakes, and that's okay. Mistakes are part of the learning process because they help your brain figure out what doesn't work and moves closer to what does work. Remember, your brain is always learning, even when you're struggling. So, don't be afraid of challenges or mistakes. A growth mindset means knowing that your brain is growing and learning every time you put in the effort, even if you don't get it right the first time. When you hear that little voice saying, "I'll never get this," try changing it to, "I'm not good at this yet, but I can improve." Remember, that simple change from a negative self-talk to a positive self-talk is a simple change in thinking that helps our brains keep growing. Now, let's circle up and think about how we can help our brains grow by using a growth mindset every day. For grades K through 5, your question is, what's one new thing you've learned recently, and how did it feel to keep trying, even if it was hard at first? For grades 6 through 12, here's your question. Think about a time when you struggled to learn something. How do you think your brain was growing during this time? This is a great time to pause the video and talk about these questions in your circles. With that said, I have these last words. Great work today, everyone. Remember, your brain is always growing, and every challenge is an opportunity to get better. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.